What is Linux? Linux, also just like Windows, iOS, and macOS, Linux is an operating system. In fact, one of the most popular platforms on the planet, Android, is powered by the Linux operating system. What is operating system? An operating system is software that manages all of the hardware resources associated with your desktop or laptop. To put it simply, the operating system manages the communication between your software and your hardware. Without the operating system, OS, the software wouldn't function. The Linux operating system comprises several different pieces. Kernel. This is the one piece of the whole that is actually called Linux. The kernel is the core of the system and manages the CPU, memory, and peripheral devices. The kernel is the lowest level of the OS. In its system, this is a subsystem that bootstraps the user space and is charged with controlling daemons. One of the most widely used in its systems is systemd. Daemons. These are background services, printing, sound, scheduling, etc. Graphical server. This is the subsystem that displays the graphics on your monitor. It is commonly referred to as the X server or just X. Desktop environment. This is the piece that the users actually interact with. There are many desktop environments to choose from: GNOME, Cinnamon, Mate, Pantheon, Enlightenment, KDE, XFCE, etc. Each desktop environment includes built-in applications, such as file managers, configuration tools, web browsers, and games. Applications. Desktop environments do not offer the full array of apps. Just like Windows and macOS, Linux offers thousands upon thousands of high-quality software titles that can be easily found and installed. Why learn Linux? This is the one question that most people ask. 1. Linux is a critical technology for IT professionals to understand. 2. Linux is widely used. Small watch to supercomputer can use with Linux 3. Most of mobile or IoT devices use Linux 4. If you are looking new opportunities in IT, Linux has high demand. Why Linux great? Linux is open source software and Linux provides easy to access powerful and scriptable command line interface, CLI. So is it not worth learning Linux?